Wow, guys. If you are into the crypto space for quite some time, you are eligible for a free airdrop for maybe more than $1,000. In this video, I will explain you step by step how you can check if you are able to claim this airdrop. But guys, it is insane. It is insane. Pudgy Penguins, one of the hottest NFT collections right now in the crypto space, with a floor price of more than 18 ETH. And 18 ETH right now is $67,000. So what happens was, these guys launched their own project, their own crypto coin, and they airdrop their token to the people that, let me get this visual for you, that are holding the Pudgy Penguins NFT. If you are a sole diamond hand, you are eligible. If you are an OG of the Ethereum chain, if you are an OG of the Solana chain, all of these wallets are eligible for this airdrop. So if you are into this space for quite some time, you can get free maybe $1,000 or $2,000 worth of airdrops. So let's start first, guys. So this is the chart currently. It's holding stable. It's currently at the $2 billion market cap. It's insane. So I was able to claim a $360 free airdrop. Like, it's not that much. It's not that much because I was so stupid to only use one wallet when I was younger. So that was the reason that I was not able to claim. But right now, people using multiple wallets in the past are liable for maybe way more. As an example here, this guy could claim as an OG 16,000 tokens based on his Ethereum address, 20,000 based on his Solana address. That is 36,000 tokens, and 36,000 tokens multiplying that price right now is around $1,000. So it's insane. It's nice. Free money for all of us. So what you need to do to get this airdrop is the following. This website, Checker Diligence DAO, it's will mentioned inside the description of this video. You can fill in your wallet address, click on check, and it gives you the opportunity to check if your wallet is eligible or not. The next thing that you need to do after that is the following. But before I tell you more about that, guys, in the description there is a link to my private Telegram community. I want to give access to 50 people for free. Join the link inside the description to my free Telegram group. Let's stay in touch, talk about crypto, because the Crypto June channel is growing exponentially. We have 8,000 subscribers, 450 videos. So more than welcome to join you in this community, and let's make some gains together. So the next step for claiming your free airdrop is going to this website. Be safe, guys. Claim.pudgypenguins.com. Connect your wallet and add your wallets to this website. It will mention if you are eligible or not, and based on that, you can link one Solana address which you receive the tokens on in one time. So as an example, if you have 5 old wallets, you can add them and claim in one time to your Solana wallet the tokens. And after that, you're eligible for this airdrop. Mostly it will be depending around $500 or maybe more than $1,000. So just try it out, guys. Links of the claiming platform is also inside the description. And also the airdrop checker is inside the description. And also the free link to my private community on Telegram is also inside the description. Guys, let me know how much Pudgy Penguins you are eligible to claim. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Crypto June channel to stay up to date about this kind of information inside the market for free money. Of course, buying new projects, and of course, market updates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.